Hello, my name is Joe Freed from the law firm of Freed, Rogers & Goldberg in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here to talk to you today about how to find the best or the right lawyer for your truck accident case. Not all lawyers are the same, and the question becomes how to find the right one. I should start off by saying that I'm sorry for what you're going through. If you're watching this video, you probably have had something bad happen in your life, and it probably involves a tractor trailer. It must be devastating, and it must feel overwhelming. And as you start to look for a lawyer, unfortunately, it doesn't get less overwhelming. Everywhere you turn, there's a website, there's a billboard, there's something coming in the mail, there's somebody contacting you on the phone or even showing up at your home or at the hospital and telling you that they've got the best lawyer for you. How do you know? How can you tell? Well, I want to tell you about a few things to be on the lookout for first, and then tell you about a few things that you can do to ensure that you're getting good, solid representation. First, be on the lookout for people who contact you who you don't know. They shouldn't be contacting you in most cases, and there are rules of ethics that dictate when and how lawyers and others can contact you about legal cases. But the best lawyers don't call you on the phone in the midst of your tragedy, and they don't send others to do that type of bidding for you. So if somebody's calling like that, be wary. Now, other lawyers who you know, who you've had involvement with in the past, may be a good source of information for you, but it's unlikely that those lawyers are ones who have a tremendous amount of experience with truck accident cases. The reality is that there are only a small handful of lawyers around the country who dedicate the majority of their time to handling these kinds of cases. And it's worth seeking those lawyers out, even if they're not in your immediate community, because those lawyers have a deep specialty in this area, and they tend to get the best results in these types of cases. They know what to do. So how do you know? When you're talking to lawyers, don't let them be silver-tongued devils. Ask questions so that you are an educated consumer. Ask what percentage of your time, what percentage of your cases, what percentage of your practice involves specifically tractor-trailer accidents. For instance, in my case, 95% of my practice is handling truck accident cases around the country. Ask them, how many successful results have you had in truck accident cases specifically in the last 3, 4, 5 years? In my case, for instance, we've resolved over $100 million worth of truck accident cases and been able to affect safety in the truck accident world, in the trucking industry, through our cases in the last 3 to 5 years. Ask these people ask these lawyers, why or whether they are out there teaching other lawyers how to handle these types of cases. Have they written articles about it? Have they written books about it? Those are all important criteria that should give you an idea of what their real qualifications are. If they don't answer the questions directly, then you know what you're dealing with. You have a good instinct, and you should follow it in this case. So it's important. Don't just choose the first lawyer who comes along. Make an educated decision and go with that lawyer. It's critical to not delay in that process, because you can rest assured that while you are out there looking for your lawyer, the trucking company already has their lawyers and their teams of experts on the ground protecting them. Get a good lawyer, check them out, go with that lawyer.